Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In this training section, we shall be talking about coconut oil. Making coconut oil is just extracting the oil from the coconut. So we've talked about two systems of doing that. Let's add one other system. Before I go further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook if you're yet to do so. It's important you do that. Thank you. Okay, coconut oil. We need to break our coconuts, remove the coconut from the shell, then remove the brown part of it. So after doing that, then we slice it so that we can grind it easily, since we are using our own blender to do that. Then we grind in batches. So this is the first batch. After adding it into my blender, I'll be adding hot water to make it easily grind. So we'll be adding hot water to it, then we start grinding. Then we'll be doing this in batches. I think it's about 3 batches. So we add it to our container. Then we add the second batch. So we'll be adding the second batch. So we grind that also. So we are adding our second batch also to the first one. Then we add the third batch. I think we have 4 batches in this. So we add the third batch. We add hot water into it. Then we grind. So we pour our third batch. That's the fourth and the final batch. We add that to our grinder. Then add hot water into it. We grind. Then we add that also. So we'll be sieving them also in batches. So this is our first batch. We'll be sieving them in batches, so till we extract the milk from it. We need to extract the milk from it. So this same process, we repeat that till we are through with sieving. This is the shaft. We return the shaft back into the blender. We add hot water, then sieve also. So we keep that in a place for about 2 days. So this is the second day. It's changing color, it's changing look. So we'll be putting this in our freezer so that the milk part will be solidified while the water still remains. So if you're putting this in freezer, you don't put it for too long. You put it for about 45 minutes thereabouts. So we'll be putting this in the sun or in a place where it dissolves back. But I'll be putting this in the sun so that it gets liquefied easily. So after doing that, let's see. So it has become liquid, but we still have some particles in it. These particles are just the fermented particles that are neither oil nor water. There are 3 layers. We have the water, and we have the oil, and we have some particles in it. So we'll be returning this back into our freezer for a very short period of time, so that we'll still have the water below while the oil will be above. So this is the water below. So there is a white part. That white part is not what we want, and then there is a oil part. So it has been solidified. So let's try and remove our oil again. So that's our oil, and that's the water below. So we need to peel the below part off so that that white part that we were seeing would go out. So but when you do that, you keep that because there will be some oil in it. So you keep that somewhere to sieve your oil or look for a way of getting the remaining oil out of it. So that's all about making coconut oil using cold press. Cold press means you don't eat at all. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you very much.